Hello, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, April the 19th, 2023. And I've already solved one puzzle, the Three Stars Sudoku. So three puzzles remain: the binary, the tectonic, in Dutch they call it cyberblock. But you are interested in this one, yes, the Four Stars Sudoku. Four Stars Sudoku number 6302. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one I've already counted 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We'll see. Let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have only one, two twos, 1 3, 4 fours. All right. 1 2 3 5, 3 sixes, 2 sevens, 4 eights. All right. And 4 nines. So the 4s and the 8s and the 9s are a majority. Can I start with the number 4? 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Well, I cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait. How about 8 then? 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row, so the third row, the only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in these two boxes. And 8 in the second column, so no 8 in those two boxes. So one box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above, the only two places left for the 8 should be here. On there, we see an 8 in the last column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below, so last row, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the first column, so no 8 there. Here an 8 in the second column, so no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be here. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 8. Alright. Okay. 4, 4, 4. Cannot continue. How about the 9 now? 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. No. So the row below, the only place left for 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places left for the 9 should be here. On there, we see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9, okay. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next, so last column, the only two places left for the 9 should be here. On there, we see a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in, well, cannot continue with the 9 now, need to wait. Insufficient information right now. Alright, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 in these, a 3 box. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the minor 1, the 2 is missing. 1, 5, three missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6. And look, we have 5 and a 6 in this column, so no 5 and a 6 in this box. 5 and a 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So one digit left in this big square for number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Here we have 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 2, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7. So we have a 6 in one of those 3 boxes in this row, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be 6, this box should be a 5 then. 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7, 1. All right. Four in this column, 4 in the column next, so last column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 4, 4, 4. Yeah. 4, 4, 4. 4, 4, okay. Well. Next number, the 5 in this column, the 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Or there, we see a 5 in this row. No 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below, so last row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row, so the first row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Or there, we see a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next, so the last column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 2, the 7, 2, and 7. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, so last column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there, we see a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below, so last row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there, we see a 2 in the second column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2, 2, oh wait, 2, 2. 2, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here, 2 in the third row, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2. 2, 6, 7. 2, 6, 7. Yeah. Cannot continue with the 2. Okay. Well, how about the 9 in the last row? 9 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. The 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the first row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And oh, the 9s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 9. Okay. Alright. Mm-hmm. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 3, 7. 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7. And look, with 1 and 3 in this column. So no 1 and 3 in this box. 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 7. 1 box left in the first column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see a 4 in the third row, no 4 there. Here, 4 in the second row, so no 4 there. Only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 4. Alright. 1, 3, 1, 3, 7. Okay. 1, 3, 7. 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay. 6, 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 3, 6. 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6. And look, we have 1 and 6 in this last column. So no 1 and 6 in this box. 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 1 goes there, so 1 is left in this big square. For number 3 is missing. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6, 6, okay. Yeah. Cannot continue with the 6 now. How about these 2 missing numbers in this last row? For the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 1 box left in this row for number 1. And 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3, the 7, 3, the 7. We have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 and 3, we have a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes and there. Yeah. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the second row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row, so the first row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first row for the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 to 7, 2 to 7. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, the 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for 2 should be there. 6 and the 7 are left in this big square. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the rest of the 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. No, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6, and the 7 are missing. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Wow. 14 minutes minus 2 minutes. It's a record, I believe, for 4 stars. Is this really 4 stars? No. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I like this one, yes. I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.